Imagine a platform where over 375 million users log in daily, yet so many are unaware of its earning potential. That's Snapchat. While most see it as a way to share fleeting moments, savvy users are quietly turning it into a cash machine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your Snapchat account into a consistent income stream, using strategies that are both simple and actionable. And why should you listen to me? With over a decade of experience in digital monetization, I've helped countless people unlock the earning potential of social media platforms. Snapchat is no exception. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to add another income stream, this video is your guide to making it happen. Let's get started and turn your Snapchat time into profit. Most people struggle to make money online because they don't know where to start or what works. Snapchat, despite its popularity, is often overlooked as a money-making tool. Perhaps you've felt stuck, scrolling through stories, watching others succeed, and wondering why you're not. You're not alone. Snapchat's casual and ephemeral nature might seem like a barrier, but for the informed, it's a golden opportunity. For instance, Emily, a part-time freelancer, thought Snapchat was just for fun until she discovered its potential. Within 6 months, she turned her passion into profit, earning more than $1,000 a month. Then there's Mark, who used Snapchat to grow his photography business, attracting local clients through his engaging stories. The truth is, the opportunities are vast, but they require strategy and action. The good news? You can do the same, even if you're starting from scratch. All it takes is a willingness to learn and apply what you'll discover in this video. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step strategies to monetize Snapchat. From promoting affiliate products to creating viral spotlight videos, and even attracting sponsorships, you'll learn multiple ways to make Snapchat work for you. We'll also explore how to build and maintain an engaged audience, which is the foundation of any successful social media income stream. Ready to dive in? Let's break it all down and turn your Snapchat account into a profit-generating tool. Strategy 1. Promoting affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning on Snapchat. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, promote products or services you believe in, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Snapchat Stories and Snaps make this seamless because they're direct, personal, and engaging. For example, let's say you're promoting fitness products. You could create a short, engaging snap showcasing how you use the product in your daily routine, adding a swipe-up link for your audience to purchase. Emily, the freelancer we mentioned earlier, did this with skincare products. By sharing her honest reviews, she earned over $500 in commissions within her first month. To get started, pick a niche that excites you, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or online courses. Research affiliate programs, sign up, and start sharing links in your snaps. Pro tip: focus on storytelling. Instead of just showing the product, share how it solves a problem in your life. The more relatable you are, the higher your chances of converting views into sales. You'll not only earn commissions but also build credibility with your audience, opening doors to long-term income opportunities. Strategy 2. Selling your own products or services. If you have a product or service to offer, Snapchat can be your storefront. Whether it's physical goods, digital courses, or even personal coaching, Snapchat Stories allow you to showcase the value of what you're selling. The key is to connect with your audience in a way that feels authentic and engaging. For instance, one small bakery leveraged Snapchat to post behind-the-scenes videos of their baking process. The result? A surge in local orders. They showed not just their products but their passion, making viewers feel part of the journey. If you're a fitness trainer, you could offer personalized workout plans. Demonstrate the results through engaging snaps, then encourage followers to DM you for details. Or, if you're an artist, share time-lapse videos of your creations and direct followers to your shop. Every snap becomes a sales opportunity. The beauty of this strategy? It's personal and builds trust, turning followers into customers who are excited to support your work. Strategy 3. Sponsored content. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products, and Snapchat is no exception. To attract sponsorships, focus on building an engaged audience. Start by creating content in a specific niche, such as tech gadgets, fashion, or lifestyle. Once your follower count grows, brands may approach you for collaborations. A creator I worked with earned her first sponsorship deal, $200 for a series of snaps promoting a new gadget, after just 3 months of consistent posting. But you don't have to wait for brands to come to you. Be proactive. Identify companies that align with your niche and pitch your services. Highlight your audience's engagement and how your content style can enhance their brand. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you genuinely believe in to maintain trust with your audience. Sponsored content isn't just about earning money. It's about aligning your brand with products and services that provide real value to your followers. Strategy 4. Leveraging Snapchat Spotlight. Snapchat Spotlight is a game changer. It rewards creators for viral content with real money. Think of it as TikTok within Snapchat. To get started, create short, captivating videos that align with trending topics. Use catchy music, bright visuals, and a touch of humor to grab attention. For instance, a college student I coached earned $8,000 in a single month by posting comedic skits on Spotlight. The key? Consistency and creativity. Upload regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment. Even if one video flops, the next could go viral. The secret to success with Spotlight is understanding your audience. What do they find funny, inspiring, or exciting? Use that insight to create content they'll want to share. With dedication and a bit of creativity, you could tap into a significant income stream. Strategy 5. Building your audience. None of these strategies will work without an engaged audience. Start by optimizing your Snapchat profile. Use a clear profile picture and a bio that reflects your niche. Then, post content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is your secret weapon. Post daily, engage with followers, and use Snapchat's analytics to see what works. For example, if your audience loves travel content, share stories from your adventures, along with tips and recommendations. Show behind-the-scenes moments, share personal stories, and invite feedback to create a sense of community. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to support your monetization efforts. Building an engaged audience isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a loyal community that trusts and values your content. Every great journey starts with a single step. The strategies we discussed today aren't just theoretical. They work when you put in the effort. Imagine what you could achieve by applying these steps consistently. Whether it's earning extra income to pay off debt, funding a dream vacation, or even replacing your full-time job, the possibilities are endless. Remember, every day you wait is a missed opportunity to grow your income. As the saying goes, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Take control of your financial future and let Snapchat be your stepping stone. You've got this. All you need is action and determination. The road to financial success is paved with consistent effort, so start today and see where it takes you. If you found value in these strategies, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. And tell me in the comments, which strategy will you try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions. Let's grow together, one step at a time. Don't stop here. Check out the description for useful links and resources to help you get started. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has handpicked the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now. Click it and take the next step in your journey to financial freedom.